We made it to Meadowlark ski area out here in the Bighorn Mountains. Absolutely beautiful. Just pulled in right as the lift's closed for the night. Nice little small ski resort. They're nice enough to let us stay in the parking lot. We called on the way up here. They said, sure thing, just come check in, and that easy. First night in the camper. We're excited about it. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm happy. Yep. There's the lake over there. Meadowlark Lake. We're about 45 miles outside of Buffalo, Wyoming. Highway 16. Can't wait. Got the heater going. Sissy. Got the ball. Got the ball. Hey. Hey, got the ball. Got the ball. Good girl. You a good dog. Hey. Not a bad view. Just did something simple first night. Hannah had some leftover chili that she froze. Now we're trying to de-thaw it and warm it up. Voila, it's pretty good. Did a good job. Well, we're tucked all in. Just got done with dinner. It was really good. Gonna sit back and watch a little Netflix movie now. It's really toasty in here. It's hot. Actually got the windows cracked. Well, I'd say it was a successful first night in the camper. We didn't freeze and we didn't die of carbon monoxide poisoning. Take that as a win. How's that for a view to wake up to? Awesome. Getting up and around. Hannah's taking Izzy out on a walk this morning. About to make some coffee and breakfast and sit tight and enjoy the views and get ready to go skiing. Well, it's a miracle. I talked her into going skiing.
We got fun today. Thank you. Yeah, we appreciate it. Thank you.
I don't really know where I'm going at all. Didn't look at the trail map before I got up here. But holy crap. Look at the views. This is what it's about. Getting out, seeing new ski hills. This is unbelievable. Nice little family ski hill up here. I'm in love. I love it. Just taking this blue one down. Snow is great. Woo. Legs are burning. Whew. We made it. Run one. Check on Hannah. gorgeous coming through the trees. Really pretty. No legs burning. I'm your teacher now. Do as I say. She's not liking it, but she gave it a shot. That's all I asked of her. I think you're ready to go to the top. I think you're ready to go to the top. Well, Hannah tapped out. Just glad she gave it a shot. That's all I can ask for. Gonna get a few more runs in. Enjoying this beautiful day. Steep chairlift right here. Goes up all the way up that cliff. Let's climb. Let's get it. We made it back. It's warm out here. We had to turn off the heater. Got so warm out here today. Sitting here kicking it for a little bit.